Hello everyone, this is Lonnie from Networking Champs, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up your Twitter widget so that you can put it on your website or on your blog. You can put it on a website or a blog to be able to push your tweets and anyone else in the Networking Champs network. What'll happen is when you tweet, you'll use a keyword, and that keyword will be recognized by the Twitter widget, and what it'll do is it'll push your tweets all the way to everyone who is in the network. It'll push it all the way to their Twitter widgets also. So it's not just your blog; it's whoever's in the network's blog too. There's a few people already had started, so let's get started and I'll show you how to do it. Now, as you can see right now, I am on my profile page on Twitter, Networking Champs. Now, you notice that I missed the G. That was when I did the setup. So if you're looking for my Networking Champs, just type in it without the G, and you should be able to find me very easily. Or do a search for Networking Champs and you'll find my name. Just click on it and follow me. Okay. Right now I'm on my profile, like I said, and if you go down here to where it says Twitter, this Twitter box, what you're going to do is you're going to click on About. Let's click on About, and it'll take you to this page. The next step you want to do is click on Resources. Resources, you're going to go to Twitter buttons, widgets, and logo icons. We're going to set up a widget, so let's click on Widgets, and then you're going to set it up for your website or blog, whichever. Because what you're going to do is you're going to copy the link or the code to be able to put it on your blog. What we want is the search widget. The reason why we want the search widget is because right here in the search query, we're going to type in the search word that we're going to use for when it pops up. When you use this word, it's going to pop up on your Twitter widget over here on the side here. Now when I hit test settings, watch this side over here, and you will notice that it will change, and everybody that's using Networking Champs, it should change, and it's not. You can type in, okay, there it goes, Networking Champs right here. This is Joseph. He is JFB Marketing, and he typed this information with his link to his blog. On his blog, he has a Twitter widget just as you see in this one, and he's given information. Now also, when he put this Networking Champs in here, it was also pushed to my Twitter widget that's on my blog, and there's mine. See there? As you can see, this is working very perfectly. Now your title can be anything, but this is going to be a test title, so I'm just going to write test, and you can put anything here for the capture. It's just going to change this information right here. When you're done, you just hit test settings because you want to test it and make sure that everything's working on the widget properly. You got your preferences over here, what you want to put on it, if you want a scroll bar or not, how many you want to put, number of tweets. Just put a few, it doesn't matter how many. And then you can set up your appearance, which colors you want. You can color match it to your blog or to your website so it matches and it's all together. The dimensions right here is how big or what the size of it is that you want. Now you can change these, and when you hit test settings, it will automatically set this. It should set it automatically. Let's do a 500. Oh, let's do 500 as the width. Just to show you, this is just to show you. And what it should do is it should tell you the size that you're going to make your Twitter widget that's going to go on your, actually it's not going to show here, it'll show on your on your site. So you'll have to figure out what size you want it to, your widget dimensions for your blog or for your website. I'm not sure what your size are, so you'll have to figure it out when you go to your blog for whatever you have the settings for already. But once you're done setting this all up, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and hit finish and grab code. Now, as you notice, this is going to give you a code, right? Now, this could be easily, if you have a Blogger account, you can just click on add to Blogger and it'll automatically add it to Blogger. Or if you have a specific place that you want to put it, or you want to add it to yourself, or add it to your website, or add it to a different type of blog, then what you do is you want to select this entire script. You're going to copy and paste, or you're going to copy it, and then you're going to go over to your blog, and wherever you've got an HTML editing or a page where you can edit HTML or some stuff like that, what you'll do is you'll just copy this in that code, and it should put the widget right in onto your website or to your blog. So that is how you set up a Twitter widget, so that you can start getting involved or getting in networking with the networking champs. And this will be it for now. Be sure to check up our next video for next week. Alright? You have a good day.